Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I make my mandazi. So let's get started. What you'll need is 1 cup of milk, warm milk, and grounded cardamom, yeast, and 2 cups of flour, sugar, and vegetable oil. So now you're going to add all the dried ingredients inside the flour bowl. So now I'm mixing everything together with a spoon for like 1 minute. Now I'm adding 2 spoons of oil and then try to mix everything together just for 1 minute. Adding my milk little by little, guys. Don't put all the milk inside. So as you can see, guys, I'm adding my milk again. So this is the last time that I'm gonna add my milk. Yeah, so try to mix everything together again. After my dough is formed, I transferred it on this flat surface so that I can work with it easily. Now I'm trying to mix it all together again, slow by slow, guys, for about 10 minutes. Try not to do it too much because your mandazi will be hard later. Okay, so this is my dough after 10 minutes, guys. Now I'm dividing my dough into 3 equal size. So now I put a little bit of flour onto the board before rolling so that it won't sticky. So starting rolling my dough, and you guys try not to make it so flat like chapati. It has to be not so flat and just medium size. So this is my dough after, and now I'm trying to cut it into 4 triangles. Okay, you guys, I know you'll be staring at my nails, but please don't judge. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave my mandazi for about 40 minutes or an hour before fry them. So after 1 hour, now my mandazi are ready for fry. So now my oil is ready and I'm starting to fry my mandazi. I didn't use a lot of oil, as you can see, guys. I'm just trying to fry them one part by one because I'm not in a hurry, but if you want more oil you can add. So this is how I make my mandazi.